It's a certified 2015 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. The legacy of the premium SUV started with the M-Class. It's the perfect marriage of German engineering and American sensibilities. It comes with great features you'll love: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, 4 12-volt power outlets, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com notes ride quality is exceptionally compliant with the standard setup of steel springs and conventional dampers. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,